Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to say one important message. Okay, listen all of you. Children say, the unknown person. Unknown person means you don't know that person. No person, parents, uncle, aunt, teachers, if you know very well. Unknown person means already you don't know. Suppose they call means they will show the ice cream, chocolate, cake. They will show, come with me, they will call like that. If they call means will you go with them? Don't go. Okay, they call unknown person means you should not go with them. Okay, suppose they call means where you want to inform? Inform to parents or children, sorry, teachers also. Okay, if they call means where you want to inform? Immediately inform to parents. They are calling, shall I go or not? You have to inform your parents. Okay, children, will you go with them? No, you should not go. Okay, thank you.